Hi, I'm a real estate broker with SoCalZone Real Estate Group in Los Angeles, California, and in this video I'm going to talk about mortgage loan. It is normal for home purchases to be funded by mortgage loan. Few individuals have enough savings or liquid funds to enable them to purchase properties outright. A mortgage loan, also referred to as a mortgage, is used either by purchasers of real property to raise funds to buy real estate, or alternatively by existing property owners to raise funds for any purpose, while putting a lien on the property being mortgaged. The loan is secured by the borrower's property. This means that a legal mechanism is put in place which allows the lender to take possession and sell the secured property in case of foreclosure or repossession to pay off the loan in the event that the borrower defaults on the loan. So who are the mortgage borrowers? Mortgage borrowers can be individuals mortgaging their home, or they can be businesses mortgaging commercial properties. The lender will typically be a financial institute such as a bank or credit union, and the loan arrangements can be made either directly or indirectly through intermediaries. Keep in mind, the lender's rights over the secured property take priority over the borrower's other creditors, which means that if the borrower becomes bankrupt, the other creditors will only be repaid the debt owed to them if the mortgage lender is repaid in full first. For more information about buying and selling properties, visit our website SoCalZone.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate videos. Thank you for watching and good luck.